So essentially, I have a 11th and 12th of commerce without math, and then a BSc psychology from Ashoka. That was my academic background before I started wanting to prepare for CAT. Now, the biggest problem I had, or rather the biggest mind block I had when I started working towards the preparation, was math. I did not opt for math in 11th, 12th, and even in my undergrad, it has stats. So, as much as it was an issue to learn how to approach it strategically from an exam perspective, I also needed equal help with respect to getting over my own mind block. That it's not undoable, and Vignesh sir helped a lot. When I started studying in MOCAT, the biggest value addition I felt was how he was able to uh, calm me, in the sense like, help me get over my fear of math, and look at it like, as it's just common sense. You approach it in a certain way, then you'll be able to do it. It's not like rocket science. But and then English again, verbal ability specifically, English was always my strong suit. That was not a concern for me ever. But it's one thing to have a language command versus it's one thing to approach it for a competitive exam purposes. So when I initially took my exams, I was kind of complacent that I already have a certain percentile. But Sanjana ma'am was the one who was able to. She used to sit with me after my mocks over calls, and she used to take me through it and be like, these are the places where you can bring incremental addition. And then she used to be like, see, this is your scoring section. This is the way you're going to boost your percentile. So even though incremental is going to take a lot more effort than what it would to just get it to a certain point, she used to help me identify those pockets where I can do it, and that actually helped me in the exam with my overall percentile. And logic reasoning was another beast of its own. But the only good part about it was it was a parity section for everyone. Like, not anybody has exposure to it in the shape and form that CAT has it from before. Sir, I mean, Vignesh sir, he himself is a 99 percentiler, 99.9 percentiler, I mean. So the best part with him was he made his own cases, and there were a lot of cases. So he used to always help us understand, in a sense, you should think about it from the way how the people who made it thought about it, because there are multiple ways you can interpret a clue. And when it's a time sensitive, time bound section, the only way you can get access to it, the best structure quickly on the first go, is to look at the pattern and familiar yourself as to how the person who made the question thought about it. And that helped me a lot. So broadly, that was how my CAT prep went. And of course, these all helped me in the exam. With respect to my VAT PI preparation, now that was again a very different thing, because I just came out of college, and then in my head I didn't even know what kind of questions a panelist would ask. That interview prep that he even gave me from a CAT perspective helped me all the way through my summer's interview when I sat through there. So that's how my journey was at MOCAT.